Hello, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making these stuffed shells with zucchini and spinach. Let's start with grating the zucchini, and it's around 2 cups. Now heat oil in a pan, add garlic which is minced and chopped onion, saute it for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then go ahead and add the zucchini, grated zucchini, and again saute it for maybe around 2-3 minutes till the water gets evaporated. The next step is adding spinach. So I have used here the salad spinach, which is around 6 cups, but you can use even the bunch spinach. Make sure you wash and remove the stems. Don't forget to add salt and pepper before adding the spinach, and go ahead and saute everything for around 4 to 5 minutes till it is well cooked. Now let it all this veggie filling, let it cool down for a while. Meanwhile, we'll go ahead and start making the cheese filling. So here we are sauteing it, let it cook, and then let it cool down. Looks yummy, right? So this way the kids can have this yummy dinner with a lot of veggies. Then I also added Italian seasoning. Okay, so here is the cheese filling with ricotta cheese, then parmesan and mozzarella. I had fresh parsley on hand, so I chopped it and added it just for a little more Italian flavor, and also the beautiful white and green color combination. Of course, we are going to add the veggie filling as well, but for now, look how cool it looks. So go ahead and add the veggie filling now and mix properly. So here is our cheese filling and the veggie filling. So we are adding both together and mixing it properly in this bowl. Yep. And this is the shell pasta. So I have cooked the pasta according to the directions on the box, on the container, sorry, and cook the pasta accordingly, and then fill each of these shells with the fillings we have made. So do that and look how cool they look. Take a picture. Make sure you post here and on our Instagram so you can tag us and see. This is our marinara sauce, which is chunky marinara. The link for the marinara sauce recipe is provided in the description below. So make sure you spoon this in a pan which is oven. You can bake it, you can put it in the oven, and then here you go, you spoon it properly, the first layer. Then here I'm arranging all these cool looking shells, stuffed shells, in a very artistic way. You can arrange the way you want, and again send us the picture, tag us. Okay, now I'm going to add the marinara sauce on the top. Then don't forget to add the cheese. So here is mozzarella, next comes parmesan. After the cheese layer, then cover this pan with the silver foil and pop it in the oven for 350-degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and broil it on high for 2 to 4 minutes so you get this great amazing caramelized look. And here is our ready stuffed shell pasta. Enjoy.